are you? Okay, the holidays are approaching for the lucky. The luckiest them are already in vacation, and if you don't have vacation, so force yourself. Okay, if you are still looking for an outfit for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, you, a friend, or younger friend, I have must you need. This week I present you 3 sweater dresses for Christmas with your family. Okay, so yes, let's go for the outfit of the day. Okay, it's composed of, for begin, underwear. It's sorry, a black lace bodysuit here, or bodysuit. A beige sweater dress with walling neckline here. A belt for back the waist. A pair of high socks here. A Christmas hat. A black shoes with fur here. And glove. So, let's go! Did you like it? Yes? Oh, give me some thumbs up. Leave a comment just here and subscribe. See you later for the next.